After 12 days of using this custom battery build, ito ang naging kanyang actual performance. Satisfied nga ba tayo? O nagkaroon ng problema? Binuo natin ang pack na ito gamit ng 8 pieces of 3.2 volts prismatic cells, giving us a total of 24 volts, 100 Ah of reliable power. And the brain powering this entire system, no other than this Dali 200 amperes smart BMS. In this video, titingnan natin kung bakit mas sulit at mas practical ang mag-DIY na sarili nating power source. Let's get into it. Now, because this is a smart BMS, monitoring your system is incredibly easy. Hindi mo na kailangan manghula because you can check everything in real time straight from your smartphone via Bluetooth connection. Kung titingnan natin ang app right now, we can monitor the SOC or state of charge, pati na ang exact voltage ng bawat individual cell. At tingnan nyo naman, napaka-balance ng ating battery build. We are getting a voltage difference of only 0.004 to 0.005 volts. And that is extremely close to a perfect balance. This amazing result is because of the built-in passive balancer ng ating Dali BMS, combined with external active balancer na nilagay natin para sa maximum cell protection. With a 200 amps rating, kayang-kaya ng BMS na ito na mag-handle ng kahit anong heavy household loads. And I have been testing this setup daily for exactly 12 days now. At talagang isinalang natin ito sa matinding heavy stress. Every single day, we run these appliances simultaneously. Ang ating 1 horsepower electric motor water pump for about 30 minutes. Kasabay niyan gumagamit din tayo ng ating rice cooker. At sinasabayan pa natin gamit ng ating 0.7 HP aircon. While all these heavy loads are running, actively nating minomonitor ang temperature ng ating BMS and the individual cells. And the good news is, hindi man lang nag-increase ang kanyang temperature. Stays completely cool, which proves na kayang-kaya niya ang load, especially because we used heavy-duty oversized wires for this build. So bakit nga ba natin pinili ang mag-build ng sarili nating battery pack instead of buying a ready-made one? Para sa akin, mayroon tayo ditong 3 major advantages. First, better component selection. Mas makakapili tayo ng mas mataas at mas malakas na rating ng BMS that perfectly matches our specific load requirements. Second, seamless upgrades. Anytime we want to expand our capacity, we can easily add more prismatic cells without the need to buy a brand new BMS. And third, easy troubleshooting. Kung sakali mang magkaroon ng imbalance or voltage issues in the future, napakadaling i-isolate, i-diagnose, at ayusin ang specific cells. Yes, yun ang mga rason kung bakit tayo nag-build ng ating battery pack. If you love technical DIY builds, hardware reviews, and solar tech contents like this, please don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe sa ating channel, Bens GearTech Station. Drop a comment down below kung ano ang setup ninyo or if you have any questions about this build. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in our next video.